Welcome to 2109 Keyway, Sevierville, Tennessee. This two-bedroom, two-bathroom ranch home is situated on over a half-an-acre lakefront lot. The property has both an attached two-car garage and a detached one-car garage workshop. The lot has plenty of room for RV parking or any other development expansions you desire. Located in a gated neighborhood, the home is lakefront, comes with a private floating dock, and also sits just before the neighborhood's exclusive boat launch. The beautiful lakefront offers easy and direct access to Douglas Lake for boating, fishing, kayaking, and water sports throughout most of the year. Upon entry, you're greeted by a bright and open split floor plan, wood floors, and a classic wood stove for added charm. Just off the living room, you'll find the dining and fully functional kitchen perfect for entertaining and equipped with granite countertops, white shaker cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. A full laundry room and pantry are conveniently located just off of the kitchen. The guest bedroom is spacious and has access to the full guest bathroom, which is also easily accessible from the living room and features a tiled walk-in shower. On the opposite wing of the house, the main suite offers an oversized layout with room to spare for a home office or additional furniture. The ensuite bathroom includes a jacuzzi tub and shower combo along with a private storage area. This property is ideal for a second home or permanent residence. It's sustainable, equipped with its own septic system and well, with cable and internet access in the area. The location is close to popular destinations such as the Smoky Mountains, Dollywood, Sevierville Golf Course, fishing tournaments, and shopping in downtown Pigeon Forge. With its prime location, ample space, and lakefront access, 2109 Keyway is ready for its next chapter. Schedule your showing today.